Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a printed check in ChequeSystem. ChequeSystem has a built-in feature to prevent accidental changes to important check details after printing, but sometimes you need to make adjustments. Let's get started. ChequeSystem locks the pay, check number, date, and amount fields after printing to protect against fraud and ensure data integrity. This means you can't directly change these core details. However, you can edit other fields, like particulars, audit code, status, and remarks. To edit a printed check, you first need to unlock it. Find the locked icon next to the check number. Click on this icon. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to unlock the check for editing. Click Yes. Now, all the fields, including the ones that were previously locked, are editable. Let's say we change the amount from 1,000 to 12,000. Once you've made your edits, click the Save button to save the changes. ChequeSystem keeps a detailed record of all edits made to printed checks. To view this log, click on the Change Log tab at the top of the check window. Here, you'll see the date and time the check was originally printed, and a list of all changes made after printing. You can see which fields were changed, and what the old and new values are. In our example, we have changed the amount from 1,000 to 12,000. This change log provides a complete audit trail of any modifications, ensuring transparency and accountability. And that's it. That's how you edit a printed check in ChequeSystem and track the changes. Remember to only unlock and edit checks when absolutely necessary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ChequeSystem tutorials.